Hospitals destroyed. Workers under stress. And a system fighting against the odds.
Hospitals have been attacked multiple times.
A new report reveals the scope of Russian attacks specifically on healthcare. Between February and December of last year, researchers documented more than 700 attacks on the system, including 292 attacks on 218 hospitals, 181 on other healthcare infrastructure, including pharmacies and research centers, 65 documented attacks on ambulances, 86 on healthcare workers, including 62 people who died.
Experts say these numbers keep rising, making it increasingly difficult to give basic care.
The attacks on health sow fear and terror in civilian populations. These also make it more difficult for civilian populations to access important medicines, vaccinations, care for chronic conditions.
With the healthcare crisis now reaching every corner of the country.
Sometimes even when hospitals had this cross on hospital and it was visible from the air that it was a hospital, but still it was attacked. So today we have one of 3 Ukrainians that don't have access to medicine in Ukraine.
Ukrainian Canadians like Gabriela Bunchek say needs are great and supplies are running thin.
One truck with 24 pallets of bandages. We use that extremely economically, but it goes in 1 week.
Still, there is commitment and a drive to keep going.
Ukrainians are inspiring organizations around the world, with the not optimism, but kind of like willingness to fight to the end. And the world is inspiring Ukrainians basically by helping us. We are getting the message from the world that the world is not indifferent.
Advocates are calling on the international community to ensure Russia is held responsible.
Prioritize these attacks for further investigation and prosecution, and to build cases that can ultimately result in accountability for these violations.
Katherine Ward, Global News, Toronto.